She said, blessed is the route that you choose, my child. Don't forget where you come from. All the good people that you find on the road on your way up. She said, blessed is the route that you choose, my child. Don't forget where you come from. All the good people that you find on the road on your way up. Cause you're gonna find them on your way down. Cause you're gonna find them on your way down. She said, blessed is the route that you choose, my child. Don't forget where you come from. All the good people that you find on the road on your way up, on your way up.
Sure. Hello, Martin. Yes, I was just going through these documents that you sent someone to bring to me. Yes, but I don't understand why you had to put 3 beneficiaries instead of 5. How can you make such a big mistake? Do you know that if I submit this, then I'll be in trouble? No, but you're supposed to go through the works. I sent you correct things, and this is the only thing you can bring to me. And you expect me to submit this rubbish? Listen, it would be wrong if I start taking these things elsewhere. I trust you as a business partner. That's why I brought this work to you, because I knew you're going to do this work accordingly. But I can't take this nonsense now. This is the 3rd time you're making such a big mistake. I can't take this anymore. Celine? 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 Whatever. Minha filha chega. Eu vou aqui. Eu mando para o padre embora de telefone antes do. O filho não conhece o Willis. Vamos lá. Ele já telefone. Isso é fora. Nico va a tapar in sto pano. You want me to call the police? My friend, I told you that to the phone sto pano. You won't fight to lunch. You that foot. You won't go back to the phone sto pano. My friend, you, I'll take you to the police. We don't want anyone. not correct. Get up. That's really well, but don't sit on the chair. Sit down. Anyway, I said don't sit on the Papa glass opening up so many. Sit down. Annie, it's come. I want you to be careful when cleaning this. I propose a TV and I want that dust. If you didn't have the remote there, clean that mess up. Anyway, I said but TV up. Look at where I'm pointing. Not a good to jump down with you. I want you first so come and clear the dining. Now clear this face. You don't pay attention to Mona first, chitakuwa arrange mabuku hapa fe. Kama fena akweba fiance, chitakuwa arrange mabuku hapo. Nachukua chukua paja. Kaka itashika la winga yaka ilifo kuamia kwa. Iwe nafia nkuperera kasaro. Iwe date tuikale wonse. Tule. Let's go. You have to think about it, huh?
I'm thinking.
Yeah, because this way, please.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was also thinking it wasn't. So that's not the kind of business we can invest in.
Yeah, it's
no.
not. My mom is getting on my nerves, man.
Because of what?
She's saying I should get married.
Wow!
No.
I'm sure she can tell that you've grown up.
Ooh, no.
You need someone, no side chick. What kind of a man are you?
No, I'm not ready for marriage. No, I'm not ready for any commitment. It's not making sense. Chill, I'm young. I'm a youth.
Oh.
Yeah.
And guess what? I'm getting engaged next year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting engaged next year.
Oh.
Yeah. And you know, it was just tricky how I got to find this girl. She was just a nobody, Yeah.
Nobody.
Yeah, so it was a challenge, going after a big lady, it's hard to tell whether she follows me or not, but someone like that, you just accept it.
Like, sure, I know you. You set the police.
Not necessarily settling police. You remember, Brenda broke my heart.
Naam dia?
Sini. Sini.
Naam.
Sini.
kulisha? Watano. Katika chakula. Katika chakula. Wala nini?
When did you go to first school? Oh yeah, Brenda.
That's a mistake I don't want to make.
Oh no, Brenda, she's the first now. Let's just move on.
Yeah, I heard she's an attorney now.
Oh really?
Yeah, she's studying law. Yeah, we met one of the days when I went to.
You just met.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I think I have to go. I just came to see you and then, yeah, I think, and then, yeah, I was just passing by for this. And then, yeah, we'll talk.
also, you're saying that's when you were going to sign the contract. You told me about the contract.
Yeah, exactly.
It's million! Millionaire! Ah, man, you're doing it.
We'll say
No,
great,
I always
man.
admire your hard work, man.
I'll
really
invite you. In fact, there will be a party.
Really?
Yeah, there will be a party.
Can't wait for that.
Yeah.
Can't wait. The question is, why are drugs so cheap? What? Celine? Celine? Okay, let me call you back. Celine! Celine. What's wrong with you, kid? You sick?
Yes.
What are you sick of?
Stomach hurt.
No, it's been a week now you've been behaving strangely.
It's nothing.
Is there anything I need to know?
It's nothing. Just stomach ache. I'm fine.
Oh, Celine, no, you. Celine? Celine? Come, please. Celine. What is wrong with you?
I said I'm fine. Nothing is wrong.
You know, let me make you understand this. In this world, we're just the two of us. And you know how much I care about you. You know how much I care about your health. And you can't tell me that I can sit and watch you overreacting lately. Because it never used to be like this. Now, just for the past few weeks, and every human who cares will be bothered. So there's something you're hiding from me, and I need to know. Because you can't tell me nothing is wrong with you, because that has never happened. And I was telling you that we go to the clinic, you still don't want to go there. So then what's the problem?
I'm fine.
Listen. You know I can do anything for you. And I care so much about your interests. I've seen you grow from a baby to a grown-up. And I can do anything you can ask. Anything you can ask from me. Without harming me, because I know you're the only thing I have.
You won't be upset with me when I tell you.
Not really. Why should I?
Tell me you won't be upset with me when I tell you.
Not really. No, just tell me, come on.
You won't be?
No, come on. Why should I?
I'm pregnant.
Tell me you're joking or something.
I'm being serious. I'm pregnant.
You mean you're pregnant?
Yes,
As in pregnant, you're carrying a child.
a baby.
But how? How did it happen? Because as far as I'm concerned, you never take time to go out, you got no friends. So how did it happen? Who is responsible for that?
The other person who came up the other day.
You mean my friend Lufo?
Not Uncle Lufo. The other one. The cleaner.
Which cleaner? Do we have a cleaner in this house?
The one who was cleaning the other day. The one you brought in the afternoon. For cleaning.
What? You mean that son of a nobody impregnated you and you allowed that?
He's a good guy. He understands me. Come on. Is that to encourage me? He has been nice to me. And this child, I'm keeping this pregnancy. I'm keeping it. I'm not going to abort it. I love that guy and I'm going to get married to him. He's a good person. I've interacted with him so many times. He has just been to me, special to me. He's the only one who can understand me.
Celine, this is not making sense to me. You know, of all people, Celine, of all people in this world, that? And where is he?
Outside.
Get him in.
But no one's killed him.
Get him in. Is she out? Has she gone nuts? What does she even admire about that loser? That man is a nobody. Oh, Christ's sake. Where is he? Oh my God,
Tonight, right? You look tonight, right? Serious?
Hey, come on, Kara. Out, come on, Kara. push if you know you pay for no chaching. So, my cara quiz.
Yeah.
Amo my cara. So, kira chinga rooms.
So kapati pascal kama una toilet ni pants.
Kamu na toilet pants. Amba tamufara mashati mwe.
Akaji na msichana pachukua cha suka pia. So t-shirt cha sapo. Mshikari hapo.
So this is your choice.
So put this here.
It's so fun. Walipusha school.
Yeah, school.
Mm.
Pati nali anomba kaini wasala lidati na isa chepisho kusali wa school ya grade 9 basi na shule katika grade 9 na isa pusha grade 9.
So after that TKF, ma planet mukala basungira kwisa.
Ati nina ishulati ndatwa na senda kata na mimi nakumbushi kwa kupata sam kitu hivi
And you were ready for that? You were ready to go and be imam at Ute?
Yes.
Okay. I think for now, I don't have any other option but to just see how I can help you. So, what I'm thinking is, since my sister is already business-minded, I'm planning on just giving you something that you guys can use to make a living. Plus, there is one house in Canada, I'm sure she's aware about that. So, we can just discuss before.
she's the person you want.
Okay. Nati, if you had sticker, inshara ningamia fuisha mo imobadi. Kai date ndeko ya rechu. No date ndeka na mwenchu because I didn't teach my sister. So therefore inshara ya kumiafu. Of which therefore kumpera kukandarama since we are makari business minded. So narampera kukandarama then imwana kwe mara tondonka nyama kubo mwakula achita. Nalikuwa takwenda kunkana isti mori babarent. So the due date ya payment ya we are up in 2 months time. So before tabala sonkera, you can go and see them before they pay. Before they renew the payments.
Payments are the pan pia. Kwa imani nitaje pan pia dai. So ya shi condition.
Au kaidi tamfire mwaishi wakaidi ne one day miafa. So shiri shonso shona mpera.
Kaida ya fuku ni kwa mali mshio.
Fuku ni na